Hi everyone, this is Rob Roy of Elliott Wave Options, and welcome to this trade review of a recently closed trade ID number 394. This is on CLOU. As you can see, was a long put in our impulse or directional strategy. I think it's important to note markets don't always go up. Sometimes they go to the downside. And even when the market is generally trending higher, you can find downside trades. This was one contract of the December 35 put. You can see the entry was sent out on September 21st. Now, talking about the downside, my favorite directional pattern within Elliott Wave is a zigzag pattern, and zigzags work just as well to the downside as they do to the upside. So again, we're identifying a bearish trade here when the market general direction is to the upside. So you can see we had a B wave correction at the 59, so right around that 61.8% fib level with 100% extension, expected down around 29, which was in an area of potential resistance on the way down as well. So the fact that that coincided with the previous wave 3 high, pretty good target for the downside move or expected downside move. So you can see just 6 days later, we did close this position out. Now, if you note on the chart, the B wave did correct just a little bit higher, but then the rest of the C wave extension did occur. Now, the issue here is the fact that we didn't quite reach our target price at 29 because there was a gap to the downside. And if you've listened to any of my videos, you know that gaps concern me because gaps get filled. So we've got this big move to the downside. We had a spike in implied volatility in the put. So the question becomes, do you take the gain now or do you wait? The issue if you wait is if we do bounce back and fill that gap, they draw that volatility back out of the put option, you could actually have the stock more slowly move down to the target price and the put option actually be worth less than it is on a big gap down day with an IV spike. So our decision was made to go ahead and close the position out. So it wasn't a big winner, but still 16% in less than a week is never a bad thing, especially when you're going against the general market trend. I hope you found that interesting. Look forward to talking again soon. Take care, everybody. If you like these recordings, I'd like to invite you to join our new Trade Finder Live, where each and every week we do a live webinar where we talk about the market, but we also go a little more in depth into the technical analysis system that we utilize to forecast where the market's likely going to go, and also to identify trading opportunities. Get your free subscription today. Take care, everybody.